Okay, number 4. I'm going to graph these 2 lines. My first line, right? My first line, I've got a y-intercept of positive 1. I'll make my point right there at positive 1. My rise over run is 5 over 4. Am I going to go up or am I going to go down? I'm going to go up because it's what? Positive. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And I'm going to run 1, 2, 3, 4 to the right. Right? Remember, if my slope is 5 over 4, I'm going to rise 4 up, run 4 to the right. I'm going to do the same thing but backwards. Down 5, left 4. Boom. That gives me my nice straight line right there, cutting through my y-intercept of positive 1, just like that. All right. Do I have the same slope on my second line? No, it's different. So we are going to have a solution here. It's not going to be parallel lines. My slope is 1 over 4. For my rise, am I going up or down on this one, though? Zach?
No, I don't know that, but what are special cases?
Special cases is when the slope is the same and we have parallel lines. And there's no solution. That's what we learned yesterday.
Oh.
Yeah.
Oh, that seems easy.
Yeah. So we're going up, we're going right. We're starting at negative 3. Boom. I begin at negative 3. I go up 1, right 4. I don't see any intersection that way, but if I go down 1, left 4, boom. I see my intersecting point right there. What are the coordinates for that intersecting point? Negative 4, negative 4. All right. Give me a thumbs up if that's what you got for number 4. Negative 4, negative 4. Yeah? A lot of us? Okay. Good. If you didn't, just make the corrections, change it so that you know what to do. Flipping over to number 9, top left on the back. What do we notice about number 9 right away?
They have the same beginning point, just no solution.
Well, they don't have the same beginning point, right? One is 4 and one's negative 4. What do they have that's the same?
The same number.
Yeah, the same number in front of x, which is our slope, right? Great job. I appreciate you guys' help. Same slope. So 3, how can I turn 3 into a fraction?
Put a 1 under it.
Put a 1 under it. Am I rising up or am I rising down? Up, because it's positive, right? And I'm beginning at positive 4. So I can't go up 3, right 1, but I can go down 3, left 1. Down 3, left 1. Down 3, left 1. And there's my line. Line number 1. What's my slope for my second line? Line number 2. What's the slope? Also 3 over 1. But this time we're not starting at positive 4. We're starting down here at negative 4. Right? So I'm going to rise 3, run 1. Rise 3, run 1. Rise 3, run 1. I don't have any room to go backwards, so I'm going to leave it at that. Connect my points. Boom, we got a nice straight line right there. Now, again, when we're looking for the solution, we're looking for the point where the 2 lines cross. Where do these 2 lines cross? Never. They never cross. So what is my solution? No solution. That's our special case scenario, right? When we're looking for an intersecting point and there is no intersecting point, we have no solution. That's what I mean by special case, okay? Is that what you guys got for number 9? Good. Okay. You didn't do number 9?
I didn't do it.
Okay. Is this making sense what we're talking about though?
Yeah.
Okay. Finally, number 14. Number 14, my slope for the first line is 1/2. I'm starting at 2. Boom. Up 1 over 2, up 1 over 2, up 1 over 2 because of my slope. Reverse it, down 1, left 2, just like that. This is going to be the last we talk about graphing before we take our test next week. Next week? Next week.
What day?
Probably Friday.
Oh, this week.
For this next one, line 2, I begin at negative 2. That's down here. I go up 3 over 2 because of my slope. I'm rising. I'm running. Up 3 over 2. Up 3 over 2. Boom. Down 3. Left 2. So I get my intersecting point all the way up there in the top right corner. We do have these two lines crossing. Where do those two lines cross? 4, 4. That's funny. We did -4, -4, no solution, and then +4, +4. Does that sound good on 14? Yeah?